Video coverage of M2M Evolution Conference and Expo is brought to you by Content Boost, the content marketing specialists. Amplify your sales today.
All right, thank you everyone for the opportunity to tell you more about ILS technology and our device-wise M2M application platform. And I'm responsible for business development. My name is Charlie McNiff. And if you look at our platform, we're a horizontal platform, so we're in the horizontal platform category when you're voting. But we're focused on many applications. So, we're in smart fleets, smart restaurants, tollways, and smart energy, factories, pipelines, data centers, all kinds of applications, and we're expanding into a lot of different markets every day. Let's see here. So we were recently acquired by Telit, for those of you who don't know, and Telit has a large global footprint, over 600 employees across many continents, 7 R&D centers all around the world, and over 300 sales guys out on the street globally. So they recently acquired us because they're really focused on onboarding millions of devices, nearly 100 million over the next 5 years is what's projected, into customers' applications, helping them do that more quickly, more reliably, and based on standards like TR50 and other global standards from the one M2M standard. So really about making it easy for our customers through an out-of-the-box experience from modules all the way up to platform. So there's a lot of excitement about M2M and all the cool apps that people are going to be creating, but really it's all about the Benjamins. So it's about making money. There's 3 reasons people do M2M. They're either going to make money from that application, it's going to generate new revenue streams for that company, or they're going to save money. They're going to drive cost out of a business process for that company, or they're going to be compliant with some sort of government mandate or maybe corporate compliance that they have to meet, and they have to show data, they have to prove that compliance through reporting. So a lot of the customer needs and concerns that we hear today from customers around the world is scalability. They need to know that the platform is going to be scalable, and we're addressing that. We're the platform for the Internet of Things, billions of things to come. People are very concerned about silos. There's many solutions and a lot of platform companies that may appear to be a platform, but they're more vertically focused, and they wind up with these silos of M2M solutions, many devices, many solutions within the enterprise to support. People are very concerned about data custody and data security and ownership of that data. So we're addressing that with multiple approaches. People want an open modular platform so they can choose best of breed hardware and have a modular approach to how they integrate with their back office and make that very easy but open, so that if they need to unplug something, that architecture in the future, they can do that without locking them into a specific solution. People want to future-proof their solution, so it's really important to drive and follow standards. We as ILS Technology, a Telit company, we're backing the TR50 standard, but we're also part of the global, the one M2M global standard. We actually sit on the standards bodies. We chair or we'll be chairing, I think, the TR50 standards body, and we're involved in the one M2M standard. A lot of customers are looking for turnkey solutions, but many customers are saying, hey, just give me DIY tools. I want to take ownership and control of that solution. I want it to be easy. I want to focus on the application layer. We give a great set of tools to do that for our customers. So we know why M2M. Lots of cool apps. People want to make money, save money, be compliant. But let's look at why people choose ILS technology. It's about reduced time to market. We productize the M2M experience with a lot of more out-of-the-box components to connect to things and on the Internet of Things side, but also to connect to the back office applications and application layer. It's about reducing risk. People want to know that their solution is going to work right the first time. So it's also about making it easy. So we're reducing complexity and making it very easy for customers to go to market quickly. So a quick look at the platform. Most of you in here have probably already been over, I think, at our workshop. So most of you already know. So I won't bore you to death with it. But for those of you who haven't, we provide a platform that has many different connection methods to the things on the left side of the diagram. And we have APIs to connect it. How much time do I have left? 1 minute? 6 minutes. Okay, all right. I was like, wow. Thank you very much. No. So, and a very powerful device management solution in the cloud to manage those devices. If you can't manage them, you'll never meet the business case. And then we've got great connectivity options to the customer's applications through APIs, data at rest models, and data in transit models. So I'm going to focus more about the use cases and how people used our platform to make money, save money, or be compliant. I'm not going to show a lot of flashy demos. If you want that, you can come over to our little setup outside and join us for our cocktail hour from 5 to 7. But Belgicom, we're powering an entire country. It's not a big country, but it is, it's but they do, Belgicom does have 80% market share in that country. So there's a lot of stuff going on there. And so we're really excited. So, and it was all about empowering developer community to bring solutions to market more quickly. Better tool sets. Another country we're empowering is Japan. So CTC Itochu is a hosting service provider powered by our platform DeviceWise, working with carriers like SoftBank and other carriers to bring solutions to market more quickly in all kinds of applications. Caterpillar. We're helping them make money by improving productivity of their plant floor operations. So helping them build more bulldozers faster, getting more product out the door. We're helping them reduce costs, reducing materials waste, reducing labor inefficiencies in their processes, and ensuring compliancy through quality data collection, as-built quality data, so they can do things like controlled recalls and ensure a safe quality product out the door. Emerson Network Power, they're in most of the world's largest data centers in the world, Bank of America and all kinds of big healthcare institutions, and they're doing remote service and support to ensure these battery backup systems are going to be there when they need to be. Maybe it's once a year, maybe it's once every 2 years, but they better work when they need to. They're continually monitoring them and making sure that they're going to be available. So they're doing that more efficiently and using their field service force much more optimally. So they're saving cost and giving a better customer experience to their customers. They're also ensuring compliancy with the customer's stringent security requirements. So a big part of our platform is security, which is the biggest impediment to M2M. So it's a very important part of the platform. Praxair, they're making money through revenue assurance. They had an old billing application and they were losing data, and these are millions and millions of dollars on the line, and they weren't able to bill for a lot of stuff they should have been billing for. So we helped them architect their new solution and feed their back office Oracle-based billing system. They were able to get a lot of return on that through better data visibility. Acclaim Energy, they're an energy broker who provides demand response by turning generators on and off for power utilities, and they help on-ramp customers, especially industrial customers, into this demand response offering, and really helping them save money on their electric bills essentially, and ensuring compliancy that these customers are not going to be hit by huge liabilities if they don't do that fast enough. So there's a lot of compliancy there. That's very important. Transportation and asset tracking and VentureTrack, we're helping them make money by offering their service, which then in turn helps their enterprise customers save money through optimizing their supply chain, but also ensuring compliance for things like cold chain monitoring and chain of custody compliance. So we're embedded in Mitsubishi Electric Automation PLCs, and they're deploying these things all over the world in all kinds of industrial applications, and we're helping them make more money. They're selling more PLCs now than ever because they're providing a lot more value to their high-end large industrial customers and enterprise customers. MC Connect is a division of Mitsubishi, and we're helping them save money. They're through an optimized field service force. So they're doing more with less people and giving a better customer experience by doing things like predictive maintenance and condition-based monitoring. And also they're making money by offering new value-added services like a performance-based service contract. So they're ensuring that they will get a certain amount of productivity and output from that machine, and then selling that as a sort of a revenue share value-added service to their customers. So enabling new business models and for new revenue streams. A lot of you who were here last year probably heard about our marquee account, RTI, who sells oil, vegetable oil, to fast food restaurants like McDonald's, Jack in the Box, Wendy's, and others. But they're making money by monetizing remote access and maintenance data to the OEMs that make the French fryers, and soon other types of refrigerators, whoever. They're also monetizing the data back to the franchisees so they can better manage their oil consumption. They're also ensuring compliance. They're feeding compliance data back to McDonald's corporate so they can ensure the brand control globally. A French fry in Tokyo tastes like a French fry in New York and all around the world. So a leading systems integrator of UBI, they basically provide a portal for driver behavior, traditionally static data over the last 10 years, and now they're moving into the UBI space. They selected us so they could get to market more quickly and help their insurance carriers gain new revenues from their new customers. So again, it's all about the ROI, and customers are coming to us to reduce their time to market, to reduce their risk, know that it's going to work right the first time, and make it easier and reduce that complexity. So thank you very much, and enjoy South Beach.
Video coverage of M2M Evolution Conference and Expo is brought to you by Content Boost, the content marketing specialists. Amplify your sales today.